In this short video, I'm going to show you the simplest way of inviting pupils or students into a live video call on Zoom. So to begin with, I need to open up the app. Now you can download the app on all sorts of different devices, so you can obviously get it on an iPad as well. The easiest way to get children involved in a live video call is to go to New Meeting to begin with. This will open the webcam, so you're going to be able to see me. Hello there. From there, what I need to do is I need to make sure that I choose Join with Computer Audio. Okay, if I don't press on that button, then that will mute my microphone and the participants won't be able to hear me, so it won't be a very effective video call at all. Now, in order to invite the students in on the video call, we need to choose Invite, which is down here. And then we've got two options basically. First of all, we've got Copy URL. Now, that copies a link to my clipboard, and I can then paste that link into an email or onto some sort of parent mail solution, or even on an online learning platform for the students to find. Now, if the students then click on that link, it will launch them automatically into the video call, as long as they have the app downloaded before they click on the link. If they don't have the app downloaded, then it will prompt them to download the app, so it will just take a few more moments for them to join the video call, but it's still a very quick and easy way of them joining the video call. We also have Copy Invitation. Now, Copy Invitation is very similar to copying the link, except the children will need to type in the meeting password when they join the video call. And again, you just paste that invite on an email, or you do it on an online learning platform, or however it is that you're communicating with the children. Now, as long as the children know when to expect the link appearing, this is a very, very quick and easy way of getting children involved in the live lesson. So what I would encourage you to do is to put together a bit of a timetable that the children are aware of, like lots of schools already have done, and invite the children to a video conference call each day at the same time. So there you go. That's how you easily invite children into a Zoom conference call.